my first time ever flying an FPV drone, so wish me luck. So I'm going to start off by doing the virtual training, gonna link up the headset and the motion controller to my phone, and let's get practicing and I'll show you what that looks like. Alright, so I'm going to put these on. Oh wow, this is very strange to wear. Oh my gosh. So first impressions of the headset, not actually that comfy. Oh, like it's crushing my nose quite a bit. Oh, that's better. Maybe I just have to get used to this. Gosh, the picture is really clear. You can use these toggles under here to adjust it. Apparently I'm a -2. I don't know if that means I need to get my eyes checked or what. So now I am in the app and I'm gonna try a virtual flight and you are gonna get my reaction. So I have, let me see, I don't know what to do. Should we try free flight? Let's try free flight. Let's do that. My first attempt. Oh my gosh, this is actually really hard to use. Can't even control the mouse. Oh my god. Okay, ready to go. Right, let's try. Double press the lock button to start the motors. Oh my god, I can't even... Right, so that must be the mode. Okay, actually, like, even though I can't see anything, it is quite obvious because each of the buttons are very different, have very different textures. Double press the lock button to start the motors. Press and hold to take off. And here we go. Oh my god, oh my god. Okay, so that's how I turn. Wow, it doesn't seem... Okay, this is a bit weird. Okay, so this is the acceleration. Down, up. Okay, it's not too hard to use. It's quite... What's the word I'm looking for? It's quite natural. It's kind of like using a joystick on a... I don't know, on a helicopter, I assume. Okay, you know what? I think I can do this. This is okay. Alright, let's see how low to the water I can go. I always see these shots in movies and everything on YouTube videos. Oh my god. Okay, that's my first crash. Yikes. Oh no, I'm still going. Okay. Right, so can't I get that close? Ah! This is not as easy as it looks. Okay, I think I'm getting the hang of this though. Right, now let's go up. Up, 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 up. Up, 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 up. Okay, no, this is fine. Actually, you know what? This is a lot less intimidating even than the controllers of the Mavic Mini. I can get the hang of this. This is okay. It's quite intuitive to use. Seems very responsive. Okay, let's try doing like a fast turn. Wow! Oh my god! This is quite crazy. I can't imagine doing this with a real drone. Oh my gosh, feels like a game! Shit! Holy shit. Okay. I gotta say, this is a lot of fun. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I can't imagine what I'm gonna be like when I'm actually with a drone. I mean... Okay, let's pause. Let's pause that. Ah! Okay, okay. Why is it beeping? I don't know why you're beeping. Right, let's do something different this time. This is quite tricky to use in the... Let's do a time trial. Let's see what happens. Okay, so this is just about trying to go fast, I guess. Double press to start. Now let's take off. Alright, let's see how fast we can go. Okay, I feel like I've got the hang of this so far. This is not as difficult, oh my god, as I thought. Holy shit, holy shit. Okay, I take it back, I take it back. Ah! 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 Okay, totally lost control. Oh my god, oh my god. Okay, wait. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Jesus Christ, how do I... Okay, I lost complete control just now. I don't even know how to... How do I even... I just jump off this? How do I... Shoot. Okay, my first crash. Not going too well, and now it's flashing red. I guess I'm crashing into something. Not such a good start. Why is it not? I went through the finish line. What happened? What the hell? Oh shit, I must have missed one of those green stars. Okay, so I gotta go back and get a green star apparently. Wow, this must be one of the slowest times on record. Okay, this is the green star I meant to get. Oops, did I miss it again? Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Okay, flying accurate. Oh no, I didn't miss it. I didn't miss it. But accurate flying is apparently not my thing on this. I feel like with the Mavic Mini, I got it pretty fast. Oh god, I feel really sick. I should add that I do actually get motion sickness. Oh god, I don't know how much longer I can do this. I feel really ill. Why do you get motion sickness anyway? And just really getting control, because I feel like I just lose control in these turns, and that's not good. I mean, it's one thing when you're playing a game like this, and it doesn't really matter if you crash or like lose control, like when you need speed kind of thing. But you know, when you're flying an actual drone, oh maybe I should do this. Oh my gosh, I didn't even know this was a thing. Oh, I'm an idiot. I should have started this first. Okay, let's have a look. Basic remote controller training. Right, got it. Oh, the gimbal tilts. Wait, that's, I can't see. What? So that's record. Ah, there's the tilt. Oh, cool. Okay, that's cool. That's great, got it. Oh, you know what? I was never actually using the brake just now. Maybe that's what I should do. Maybe I should use the brake. Wow, I really should have done this training first. That was really silly. Okay, there's a lock button. Lock button turns the motors on and off. Yeah, that's this one. Got it. And then turn on to take off. Tap the start zone to turn off the motors. Okay. Press the move button to switch flight modes. Yeah, I'm pressing it. I have to press it longer? I don't understand. Twice? I'm pressing it, right? That is the mode button. Okay, I'm getting bored now. I'm gonna go out. Back to home. Let's go virtual flight. You know what? Let's try that again, but using a brake. I feel like that will actually help a lot. Wait. Okay. Track 1. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I wasn't using brakes. This is, seriously, this is why you should do trainings first. I didn't even realize. Oh, but then I paused, what? Are you not meant to use the brakes in the corner? Like, I don't understand. Oh, what? Okay, that's weird. Okay, maybe in the time trials you're not meant to use the brakes? Oh, wow. Does it pause my time? Oh my gosh, that makes things so much easier, but also like not cinematic at all. And very jagged, I would say. Oh wow, my time is horrendous. Ooh. Okay, no, that is not a hack. Never mind, don't listen to me.